This is an EGG self-guided tutorial. Before getting started, be sure you have all the correct pieces to get the device set up correctly. These pieces include the electroglottograph unit, the electrodes, the electrode strap, electrode gel, the battery charger, the USB connecting cable, a quality headset microphone, as well as a quality lab microphone, and the voice analysis software. Next, you will want to connect all cables and plugs into corresponding areas. There are labels on the processor to ensure each connection is correct. Be sure to connect the processor to a compatible computer using the USB cable. Plug the battery charger into the correctly labeled outlet on the EGG processor, and then into an electrical outlet to supply the battery with the power source. Plug in the electrodes to the jack labeled electrodes. And finally, choose whether you will use the front or rear plug for the microphone. Once you have chosen a placement for the microphone, switch the lever located in the back of the processor to the correct position. Before you use the electroglottograph, allow it to charge anywhere from 2 to 6 hours. For maximum battery life, do not leave charging for longer than 24 hours. First, turn on the device and run a battery check to be sure you have ample battery supply. Hit the switch labeled BAT test near the power switch to enable the battery check. The battery signal lights will light up fully when the processor is holding full charge. You are now ready to test the EGG on a subject. Apply a thin layer of the electrode gel over the surface of the electrodes before placing on the subject's neck. Spread thinly over the electrodes to ensure full coverage. Now you will place the electrodes on the user's neck and use the electrode strap to help hold them in place. When adjusting the electrodes to the user, you must be very careful about placement. Use the electrode placement indicator on the processor to help adjust the electrodes until they are placed accurately. By moving the electrodes up and down, the lights on the placement scale will light up, noting if the placement is too high or too low. Once one of the 3 green lights located in the center stays lit up while at rest, you have found a correct placement. Securely fasten the electrode strap to maintain that position. Now you are ready to record voice samples. Use the Phasecom software provided to record samples and turn them into waveforms. Open the Phasecom software on the computer to get started. Then select File and Record Wave File. Click Record on the box that opens on the screen and begin recording the desired voice utterance. Once the recording is finished, hit Close and your waveform results will automatically open. You are now ready to analyze EGG waveforms. Thanks for watching.